Whiskey 9 Alpha Tango.
Whiskey 9 Alpha Tango, go ahead.
Good afternoon, Jim. It's Mark here in Atlanta, Georgia. Having a beautiful day. Sorry about the Northeast. Wondering how you might consider my audio.
Why don't you give me about 10 or 15 seconds on your antenna system and let me hear it.
You bet. We're working with a roughly 130-foot end-fed half-wave antenna, and then 150 feet of coax. So working with a little loss, but otherwise things are going pretty well.
Alrighty, Mark, your audio seems to be fairly loose. I think we probably can tighten that up a little bit. It looks like almost a 8 dB dynamic range. We want to move that to about a 3 and fatten it up. So if you're ready, go ahead and engage your compressor at about a 3.
I'm sorry, Jim, I went out of order. The compressor is on right now. Do you want me to go without it?
No, I want you to verify that the compressor is on and running at a 3 input level.
Roger. I think we're there.
All right, then we move to ALC, and with mic gain in hand, I want you to bring your ALC level up to mid-scale to 2/3 by your mic gain control. Roger?
Roger, Jim. So I'm just moving right now, mid-scale to 2/3. I think that's the sweet spot right there. Over.
All righty, and now tell me something about the best thing you like about your radio.
The best thing I like about my radio, I can listen to multiple bands at the same time. It's got several antenna inputs for receive and transmit, which is really quite nice. Now I just have to build the antenna farm. That's actually been working out very well for me so far, Jim. Over.
Roger. Just thinking, you're still fairly wide in your bandpass, not bandpass, but your in the index, your modulation index. So we want to close that. Check again your ALC. Be sure you're running mid-scale to 2/3. The sweet spot is that area between mid-scale and 2/3. Roger.
Roger, Jim. So I'm looking at it now, and I am mid-scale to 2/3 on it. Equalizer on, Jim.
Oh, Roger that. Having just a little bit of condition reversal there. Do you still copy me all right?
You sound great, Jim. Over.
Roger, you've dropped to probably about just 3 dB above my noise level, 2 to 3 dB. It's hard to take it further than where we are with that signal drop down. I was trying to bring up the Atlanta SDR. That would be the place to be. I guess I don't know if we've ever tried that or not, but I can't. Everybody's using it. The more I talk about my SDRs, the more other folks are using it. So it's kind of defeating my own self. Roger.
I completely understand. This makes sense.
Well, Mark, I think we're, probably at an impasse right now because you have faded down quite a bit. But I think just be sure that you try to keep that modulation level up to mid-scale to 2/3 on the ALC. I would, for the time being, probably just keep the ALC meter up. Just verify that you are doing that. Sometimes we have a tendency when we're setting levels that we kind of overemphasize our voice level to set that level, and consequently then when we're just talking normally, we have maybe just a slighter less volume on our voice. So the whole trick of the thing is to set that ALC with the normal voice communications, and so that way it will be working normally when you're talking, and that has a lot to do with achieving our 3 dB dynamic range, and if we do that, then we will have 80 to 85% of average peak modulation. Roger.
Roger, Jim. Well, the propagation gods may not be smiling on me today. I'll have to work on that a little bit, but in the meantime, have a great day with the Whiskey 9 Alpha Tango.
Roger, Roger, Mark 3's that way, sir. EQ sounds good. I don't think you have any problems there. It was just a matter of trying to get that modulation a little fatter, and I think we did that. So maybe next Friday we'll have better conditions and check back in, and we'll look at that EQ a lot closer when we have better capabilities of hearing it. So anyway, today and for the next few weeks, we'll be conducting a sidewalk survey, an AB receiver test between our normal modified Yaesu FT990 and a newer digital influenced ICOM 7300. There will be a few anomalies. During the test, our 990 receiver will be running a resonant dipole with 0 reflected wave, and the 7300 will be running 2 co-phase 10-foot vertical magnetic loop antennas. All transmissions will be from our regular FT990 on the dipole. This is KC9VKV. If you have a radio you want to check out, give us a shout.